Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack files into RAR or zip archives on your XIAOMI Poco F4 GT using app called RAR. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate our files on this app. So right here you can see all the folders that you have on your phone, and you can select the folder where the files are located. So for me it's DCIM and then camera. Here I have few photos and I'm just gonna select 3 of them. Now in order to pack them into the archive, we'll need to press on this plus button. And here we'll be able to customize the properties of our RAR or zip file. First, choose the name for this archive, and for me it's gonna be pictures. Next, you can change the extension from RAR to zip to RAR 4.x. So I'm sticking with RAR 1. You can set the password for the archive. It can be any amount of digits, so for me it's gonna be 1 to 3. If you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, you can click on show password and then you will see full password. You can encrypt the file names if you want. Press OK to save that. And now we're back at the options, and here we can also enable delete files after archiving or create solid archive. And next is advanced settings, and here you can find any of these. You can go to options to also enable a few other options. In the comment section you can leave any comments about this archive, and after everything is done we can press OK, and our pictures will be packed into this archive. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.